y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiara Rose. You know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today I decided to film my eyebrow routine, and if you would like to see how I went from this to that, please continue watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply some edge control, and I use the Edge Booster by Style Factor. And you can use any edge control you want. Even if you don't want to use edge control, you can use Becca's Ever Matte Poreless Primer. That works too, but it gives you more of an ashy look. So when you're filling it in, it kind of looks, it kind of gives your brows like a grayish color, and I don't like that a lot of the times. So for the most part, my favorite thing to use is edge control. You can use any edge control that you like. And like I said, this is going to help keep my brows in place from when I'm filling it in. So I'm just going to take a little bit of edge control right across each one of my brows, and just a little bit, just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is comb my brows, and I'm going to use the comb that comes with the Benefits Cosmetics eyebrow pencil that I'm going to use, but you can use any spoolie brush just to comb your brows and get them in place. Benefits Cosmetics Precisely Brow Pencil in the color number 6. Okay, when it comes to figuring out how long I want my eyebrows, like where to start and stop, I just take this pencil brush and I just put it up to the side of my nose, and then make sure it's going straight up like this. And this is where I want my brow to begin. So then I just make a little small dot right there, and then I take the same pencil brush, and I put it against my nose like this, and then take it across my face right at the outer corner of my eye, and that is where I want my brow to stop. And I just put another little dot right there. And that's how I get the guideline of where to start and stop my eyebrow. So in order for me to get the angle, well, not the angle, yeah, the angle and the arch that I want, I have to start filling in my brows from the back, because it doesn't matter. Most girls start here and then just go draw their line across like that, but when I start here, I don't get the angle that I want, so I usually start from the back and then connect it. And you have to do this very lightly. So you just lightly take the pencil and just draw it, and I'm going to connect it to that first dot that I made, and then I go back to the front. Then, now this is where we at so far. And then I take this part and and I just drag it down and connect it to that dot. Okay, so we all shaded in. Now when it comes to the front, you want to draw an upward motion, because you want to like mimic little flyaway hairs. So you just take it and you just go up and just mimic flyaway hairs as much as you possibly can. Brush it out so it has that light to dark effect. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean up under my brows using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the colors NW45 and NC45. And I just mixed the two. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean up under my brows. Just gonna take a fluffier brush to blend it out. Hey y'all, this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.